Before the video starts, comment something unique that you do to be more frugal, to reduce waste, to be more productive, something that you got rid of. Comment it down below, because really, there's a lot of simple stuff that we don't think about. Like I remember when I saw Matt Diavella's video that he wears the same outfit, his favorite outfit every day, and it's so simple, and I started doing it, and it saves you so much time and stress and money. And I'm going to go over all my favorite habits and things that I do to live more intentionally. I started watching YouTube videos on 2x speed, especially the long videos. It saves you so much time. A 20-minute video, now that's a 10-minute video. I cut my hair at home with a flowbee. It makes it so easy. I don't have to drive to the barber shop. I just cut my hair at home, don't have to pay anyone. And you can do this yourself with a flowbee or with clippers, and just ask a friend or family member to do it for you. I like having my bed made, so I just have a comforter on the bottom, and then I move my 2 sheets into the closet, put everything into the closet, so my bed's easily made. I just take those 2 things off, and I have a nice made bed. I am completely sober. No coffee, no soda, no alcohol, no drugs, nothing. I just drink water. And the other thing I got was a reusable water bottle, so I don't use plastic water bottles. And obviously having a simple wardrobe with just a few things and just wearing all black, it's made my life so much easier, spending less time worrying about what I'm gonna wear because I have like the same outfit. And having slip-on shoes, I don't have to tie my shoes. It literally saves time, and it's just so much easier. My workout routine is to not have a workout routine. I just force myself to go to the gym 3 times a week and say, okay, I'm going to be here for at least an hour. And then I end up being productive, going on the treadmill or doing bench press. Here is my phone. I don't have a wallet. I just keep all my cards and driver license in the back of my phone. I have a simple background. I have no apps. I'm so glad the new iOS update added this feature where you can remove apps, even the ones that come with the phone. I used to have hundreds of apps, and I used to have to keep them all in one folder, but now you can hide them all, which makes it so nice. Having no social media, no Netflix, no Instagram, no Amazon app, just being away from the internet and just, reading a book, being in nature, being around your family, doing those things will make you a lot happier. And that's why I think digital minimalism is so important. Even something like YouTube. I don't have the YouTube app on my phone. I did a detox, and sometimes we even need to step away from the limited social media we still do have. Minimalism really changed my shopping habits, which helped me save so much money. So now I look at thrift shops and cheap places first, and I look at the expensive places last. And when I'm online shopping, I wait at least a week to decide if I'm going to buy it. You sit on it for a week, and most of the times you're going to realize, oh, I didn't need it. If anyone should do intermittent fasting and count their calories, I started doing this. I just eat 1 meal a day, no breakfast, no lunch. I eat all my calories at 6:30, and it makes my life so much easier. I don't have to worry about breakfast or lunch and overeating. I used to always overeat, but you get to a healthier weight and you feel so much more focused. And there's so many scientific benefits to intermittent fasting, so definitely try it.